Popping the hard top off your Ford Bronco should be all smiles and sunshine. But that fiberglass slab weighs like a baby hippo. Wrestling it solo risks cracked corners, or worse, a tweaked back. A proper hardtop lift turns the struggle into a one-person, push-button, or crank-handle flex. I dug into real-world reviews and shop time to find the slickest lifts for 6th-gen Broncos. We're counting down from number 5 to the champ, so peep the links down in the description if one of these rigs calls your name. The HOIST-A-TOP electric lift is a garage ceiling classic. A 120-volt electric hoist does the grunt work, while custom brackets cradle every contour of your Bronco top. Assembly is a quick bolt-together frame, then mount the motor to a ceiling joist and you're set. Hit the switch, unbolt the top, and it's lift and go. Drive out while the roof hangs overhead. Owners love the zero sweat removal, but you'll need decent ceiling height and a solid beam to anchor that motor safely. At number 4, the U-Box cart lift brings wheels into the game. Slide its heavy-duty 1.26-inch tubes under the top. Spin the trailer hitch jack to lift and roll the whole thing wherever. 4 casters, 2 locking, let you tuck the roof into a corner, no ceiling hardware needed. It weighs about 92 pounds but folds flat when empty. Reviewers say the powder coat holds up to garage rash and there's no drilling your top, but the first assembly does take some wrench time. Rolling in third, the EZ 4x4 lift lives up to its name. Position the collapsible frame inside the cargo area, crank the built-in jack, and the top rises straight off the tub. Thick steel tubes and lockable swivel wheels make it stable, and it folds flat once the top's back on. No ceiling mounts, no hitch, and no helper required. Folks dig the one-person freedom, though the steel frame is beefy, so make room in the garage when it's folded. Runner-up is the HARKEN ceiling hoist, a sailor-grade pulley system with an anti-drop cleat. Stainless hardware and double-braided rope spread the load so evenly you can lift with about 20 pounds of pull. Park, clip the straps, and haul the top to the rafters with a single hand. The self-locking system grabs instantly if you let go, so no panicked rope burns. It comes in 10, 12, or 16-foot kits for different ceiling heights. Install takes a stud finder, a drill, and some patience, but once it's up, it's smooth sailing. Taking the crown is the TopLift. Patented for quick solo action, this lightweight portable rig rolls behind the Bronco, hooks under the top, and lifts with an easy lever system. No tools, no ceiling, no hitch. Built by the original hardtop lift inventors, it balances strength with portability, so you can toss it in the bed and pop the roof at the campsite or beach parking lot. Owners rave about the stable lift pads and how it doubles as secure storage without hogging garage space. Convenience meets go-anywhere flexibility. Hard to beat. Any of these lifts will save your back and your hard top. Just pick the style that matches your garage setup and adventure plans. Hit the links in the description for today's pricing, and if this rundown helped, smash that subscribe button for more Bronco gear reviews. Stay topless safely, and I'll catch y'all on the next ride.